All right, Phonics Lesson 79, which means we'll have a spelling test tomorrow. See if you're remembering all these things that we're going over.
No one says it's pretty much always on Friday.
I try to keep it that way as often as I can. You ready to read some sounds? Sitting up straight and tall.
Yep.
Attention and eyes looking at the
Board.
Because I don't have the words printed on me, do I? That would just look weird. A at the end of a short word. Shh. Ooh, that one always tickles my mouth. E in the middle of a word. Qua.
At the end of a word.
What's right in front of it?
Short vowel.
Or. E. All. O. Which one is the short sound? A. Bless you. I. Oi.
At the end of a short word.
You. R. Like we're pirates. A. In the middle of a word. Hold on. I shouldn't have done that to you. A lot of times, what follows this A in the middle of a word? The AI. Lucas? T can. But what have we talked about so far? L. And another one, Jenny? N.
Everyone's saying
I know. Two sounds.
Ooh.
All of these say they're long or they're short sound?
Long.
They're long sound because they all have that silent E, right? It's that vowel, consonant, silent E. So the silent E tells us the vowel says its own name. Masks up. So here we have I. Here we have I. A. U. E. O. W. Ah. At the end of a word. Oi. In the middle of a word. Ew.
At the end of a word.
O.
In the middle of a word.
Ear. E.
In the middle of a word. Ow.
Two sounds, right? Ow and O.
At the end of a word.
What does it follow?
Short vowel.
Short vowel. Our short vowels say a, I, a. So it's going to say, it's going to have that atch, etch, itch, otch, utch. J.
At the end of a word.
And again, what's right in front of it?
Short vowel.
of a word. I. This is at the end of a word, right? What is a consonant that we've talked about that follows this I? Amy?
T.
T. Mm-hmm.
U. E.
E, like even, event. Was it yesterday we started talking about this, or the day before?
Yeah.
I can't remember.
A lot of spellings.
D. In. Hold on. Because remember when we did sounds yesterday, they wanted to know what they meant. Do you remember what D means? Like decide, deduct, degrade, defeat. Do you know what it is?
Like go down.
Down. What are you thinking?
I was thinking down.
You were thinking down. Down. Down.
Again.
No, that's. Which one means again?
Re.
Okay, so D is down, or was back another one?
Yes.
Now I'm getting confused, friends. Oof. I might have to make us a cheat sheet so that we can refer to it, and then I'll cover it up when we do our sounds and things like that. I think I should do that. All right, this one is in, and it means in, or it can also mean not. Un, and it means
like no, like re.
Not. Re, and we said that means
Again.
be. Do you remember what that one is? Maybe? Beside, beneath, began.
Beginning, like side.
Like to the side? Is that what you're saying? Across? What did it say? I better look this up to make sure I don't screw it up. Let's see if it's in my rules part of my book. It's not. And of course I don't know what lesson it was. Right?
7 through 73 through 79. I whispered across. I just said it. Did you say 97? Like 97. What?
Okay, it's just the one. I was thinking there were two. Be as in beside. So like it's beside it. Okay. All right. X or eggs, right? The two different sounds. X or eggs. Do you remember what it was? We did this one yesterday. I know for sure that was yesterday. Example, exit, excuse. No.
X-ray.
Nope, not X-ray. X-ray is just the letter X.
What about X?
So what does this X mean? Oh, this is driving me crazy. Connor?
I think it means like no, don't.
I don't think I actually went over what it meant yesterday.
No, you didn't.
Oh, no wonder we don't know it. It means out.
Out. Like
So two sounds, X, eggs.
Yes.
Not like eggs, like a chicken lays the eggs, right? X, eggs. Exit, Okay, let's go on. Good job. Do you remember what this one meant? Against, afraid, about. I better double check. I can't find it. I don't know. All right. What do you remember, Raylyn?
Do it again.
No, that's re.
Yep.
Oh, it didn't give us a meaning. That's why I can't remember it. So it doesn't say at or a, does it? It makes that U sound, doesn't it? All right, let's spell some sounds. First sound, let me get back to this lesson. First sound is prefix E. Prefix re. All of these are prefixes, okay? All of today's are prefixes. D. B. X. That's it. That's all they're having us do today. What you say? Let's go through those. E. Hopefully that one wasn't too tricky.
It was too hard.
Re.
R-E.
What was next? D.
B-E.
Should you make sure that your D is really a D? Okay. B. Just the letter?
No.
No, B-E for the prefix. And then we had the X. So just the letter X.
No.
What is it?
E-X.
E-X. And then the hyphen.
100. 1,000.
All right, moving on. Let's read through some words. Elate, event, elect, elapse. The word is elapse. What's the word?
Elapse.
Even, erupt. Edict, erode, equip, elastic, elope, evoke, evict, emit, eject, egress, emote, erect, spring, split, thrill, scrub, down here, three, splat, spree, stress, thrashing, scream, strand, scrap. Are we all ready now? Shred, the word is shred. What's the word?
Shred.
Shrink, squint, sprinting. The word is sprinting. What's the word?
Sprinting.
Hold on a moment. I've earned myself some beans because I am 100% following along. Some of you are struggling. Don't let objects that you have be a distraction for not following along. Got it? Screech. What's this word?
Screech. Scrape.
The word is scrape. What's the word?
Scrape.
Shrug, shrunk, squeeze, squire, sprite, stringing. Now remember how we've talked about the stra. We've talked about ing, squa, or squa, e. Think about those sounds, friends, as you're reading words and as you are writing words. You know how often you're asking me how to spell a word? A lot of times you can spell it yourself if you think about these different sounds from our phonics lessons. Okay, this word is shirk. What's this word?
Shirk.
Sprain, trace, clearing, throat, matches. What does what? Shirk? I'm not sure. All right. Don't say it out loud. Read it in your mind. What is the word, everyone?
Straws.
Don't say it out loud. Read it in your mind. What is the word, everyone?
Judge.
Read it in your mind. What is the word?
Yearling.
Read it in your mind. What's the word?
Retail.
Read it in your mind. What's the word?
Squirting.
Again, read it in your mind. Say it out loud.
Withdraw.
Ready? Fearsome, floating, scrawl. That word is scrawl. What's the word?
Scrawl.
Splinter, jawline, thirst. Let's read it all together. The leader was sent into exile. Again, smoothly, fluently. The leader was sent into exile. One more time. The leader was sent into exile. Read this to yourself. What's this word?
Exist. Life. Mars. Cannot. On.
Let's read it in the correct order now. Life cannot exist on Mars. What's this word?
Equipped.
What's that word?
Equipped.
Oh, hold on. The word is just equip. It's not equipped. What is it?
Equipped.
Okay.
Jackets. Raft. Life.
Let's read this sentence. It's actually asking a question, right? Did you equip the raft with life jackets? Let's read it more smoothly this time. Did you equip the raft with life jackets?
Response. Erase.
This is the trickiest word.
Do.
Oh, you got it. Okay, let's read this sentence. Do not erase that response. One more time. Do not erase that response. First word. Erupt.
Erupt.
Erupt. Expect. Expect. Is it okay if you have to break down those sounds in words to help you out? It would be a lot better if some of you would. You would do better on your spelling tests. expect, expect. Sight word, does. Somebody asked how to spell that this morning. Hopefully they remember. Does. Your next word, exile.
Exile.
Remember that eggs sound? That prefix, eggs, and then isle. Exile. Exile.
I know how to spell it. I just put eggs.
We're not talking chickens.
I know. What was the word?
Exile. Okay, the fifth word is inside.
Inside.
Our next word, event.
Event.
Event. Arose.
Arose.
Think about the prefix. Arose. Sight word, many.
Many.
Exit.
Exit.
Exit. Exit. Last word, refine.
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 I think we did this word yesterday.
Refine, we might have. Let's go through those. The first word that you wrote was erupt. Oops, I forgot to click on a pen. Erupt. Erupt. Expect. Ex. Act. Sight word, does. D-O-E-S. Exile. Exile. And then inside. In. Side. How'd you do on those first 5?
Good. 100%. 100% so fine.
Guess we'll find out on our spelling test tomorrow if you're paying closer attention. The next set of words, or the next 5 words, I mean, event. Then arose. What says a? A. And then it's like the word rose.
If you know how to spell rose.
Sight word,
Many.
many. Just have to know how to spell that one. Exit. Exit. And our last one, refine.
100%.
Okay, new material today is just some additional sight words that we're going to start practicing. So let's read through these new sight words. They're not new, but you know what I mean. big, that ginormous. Pull. Did I skip one?
No.
Okay. Full. I skipped that one. Put. Push. Bush. Those two rhyme, don't they? Push, bush. Oh, that was it. So just those. Okay, you can put your whiteboard, your marker, your eraser away. Get out your packet, pull off page 79. You'll need to get caught up, okay? Get your name on it first thing, please. Okay, is your name on it? Now, I'm drawing a line to show you this top part goes together with these words. This bottom part goes together with these words. Okay, they're not connected to each other. So up here, we're going to use the word, read them with me, door, don't, floor, won't, should, put, pull. We're going to use those words to complete the sentences. So this first sentence, we're going to have to use 3 words, right? We will use some words more than once. Okay, so don't cross them off. Okay? We're not going to rewrite the sentences though. Okay? So let's look at the first one. Blank, blank, wet rugs on the wood. What? What would be wood to start off? On the wood. Something about wet rugs on the wood. Do you put rugs on a wood door?
No.
No. On a wood what, everybody?
Floor.
Okay, on the wood floor. So let's go to the beginning of that sentence. Wet rugs on the wood floor. What would make sense there? Raylyn? Don't. Do you think she's right?
Yep. Yeah.
Don't what wet rugs on the wood floor?
Put.
Sounds good to me. What should I do to the word don't? No, don't cross it out. What should I do to it?
Capitalize.
It's the beginning of my sentence, so I better have a capital. Should I spell it right?
Yes.
Definitely. So don't put wet rugs on the wood floor. All right. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
So some of those words are going to be reused in that top section. And then you'll go down to that bottom section and complete those sentences using the words put, many, always, both, full, push, and bush. Would you like to work with a partner?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.